In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Faith and family. Two words that hold deep meaning and are the reason for Rina Jane 𝐃𝐈𝐻𝐒's continued devotion to Senior Santo Niño. For years, she has spent time in her day attending every novena Mass at the Basilica Minore del Santo Niño with her family, as she has been blessed with provisions and favor. It has also been her panaad or vow to join the yearly activities of Fiesta Señor, including dressing up her 6-year-old daughter, Queen Chloe Althea Elizondo, as Senior Santo Niño. She has been doing it since her daughter was 2 years old. Rina can't hold back her emotions as she recalls where this vow all started.
Akong ate nga ni panaw natong last December 2021. Since nga iyang anak nga laki pag 3 years old sad kay naa siya gipangayo sa senior nga tagaan siya babae nga anak. Tagaan gid siya. Antod karon mo na mong gikuan gid niya nga labi na karon nga akong mama nagsakit-sakit, mamilain nga giampo nga atag lang ang iyang kaayuhan.
We encountered Rina during the opening salvo on the first novena Mass for the 458th Fiesta Señor, and coincidentally, it was also her 32nd birthday. She fervently prays for grace, not just for herself, but also for her family.
Tagaan migmayo panglawas niya sa pagkakuan ako nga single mom ko kanang ligunon lang sad ko niya sa mga trials.
She has worked as a vendor in the city's largest market, Carbon, for many years, but was affected by the redevelopment of the area and chooses to presently sell soft drinks. As a single parent, she also tries her best to be her daughter's strength while getting all hers from Senior Santo Niño. And while she continues recalling her journey, Rina isn't able to contain her tears as she remembers one of her life's strong pillars, her sister, and promises to continue her legacy.
Akong misay sa akong ate, kung napa siya karon, kami ang tanan pamilya natin. Kay karon sukan nga akong mama naghubak. Ngunang kami na lang duha kay dili naman pwede ako mama sa dagang tao. Ngunang amo nang giampo nga tagaan siya maayo panglawas gid sa Senior Santo Niño.
Rina and Queen are just two of the 35,000 devotees with varied prayers and intentions who brought with them an image of Senior Santo Niño during the opening of this year's Fiesta Señor activities. Just like Rina, Nanay Lilia Oberes, 75 years old, a devotee of the child Jesus and a Santo Niño dress vendor, shares her happiness as the physical activities for Fiesta Señor are back.
Alinan mo sa gyud karon kay katuso na wala man. Wa mo gimihimya. Puro pa may utang. Mayo na ayuda. Karon wa nam sa ayuda.
Aside from selling dresses, she also repairs broken Santo Niño images. Nanay Lilia promises that until she is still able, she will continue to make more dresses for Senior Santo Niño. True, each devotee has their own story to tell, but what unites them is a burning desire to praise the Senior Santo Niño. This has been Angelica Fay Saniel for Sinulog 2023 sa MyTV.